Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Docusign templates. This feature allows you to add personalized fields to your documents, making your templates more flexible and tailored to your specific business needs. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready to access your account smoothly. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Preferences. This will take you to a section where you can customize various settings related to your Docusign account. Once you're in the Preferences area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several options for managing your account settings. Click on Custom Fields. This is where you'll be able to create and manage all the personalized fields you want to use across your templates. Now, in the upper right corner of the Custom Fields page, click Add New Field. This button opens up the creation interface where you'll configure your new custom field from scratch. The first thing you'll need to do is type a name for your field. This could be something like client address or project number, depending on what information you need to collect. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for your workflow. Next, you'll need to select the field type by clicking the drop-down menu. This determines what kind of information the field will accept and how it will appear in your documents. After selecting your field type, move on to the metadata options. Here, you can customize how the field behaves by clicking the checkboxes beside required, read-only, or shared. These options give you control over whether recipients must fill out the field, whether they can edit it, and whether it's shared across multiple documents. Now navigate to the collaboration section. If you want recipients to be able to collaborate on this field, check the box beside Recipients Can Collaborate. If collaboration isn't necessary for this particular field, simply leave it unchecked. Moving forward, navigate to the Formatting section. Click the drop-down menu below Font to select your preferred font style. This allows you to maintain consistency with your brand or document formatting standards. You can also customize the font color by clicking the drop-down menu below it to select your option. This adds another layer of visual customization to your field. Next, navigate to Font Size and click the drop-down menu below it to select your option. Adjusting the font size helps ensure your field is readable and fits well within your document layout. If you want to fine-tune the field dimensions even further, you can adjust the width, height, and max characters by typing a number below each respective field. This level of control ensures your custom field fits perfectly within your template design. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your settings, click Save. Your custom field is now created and ready to be used in your Docusign templates. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom field in Docusign that you can now add to any template. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.